This video will introduce convenient functions that make Mitsubishi Electric FA equipment products easier to use. A short look at the convenient points of offline monitoring. By utilizing the functions of Mitsubishi Electric's camera recorder unit, we can use the offline monitor function of Works3 to analyze the cause after an equipment problem occurs. Let's look at how to use Works3 using the occurrence of a problem in this kind of equipment configuration as an example. After a problem occurs, we can read the recording file stored on the SD memory card of the camera recorder unit to the PC. We do this by selecting Read Recording File from the Recording menu. After the connection is successful, a list of recording files will be shown. We place a check next to the newest recording file and select Read into PC. Next, select Recording File in Start Offline Monitoring in the Recording menu and specify the file to be read into the PC to start offline monitoring. Use the seek bar shown in Offline Monitor to check the program status before and after the problem has occurred. The recording file shown in this video was recorded with M70, the general device abnormality error, set as the save trigger, and for recording 20 seconds before and 5 seconds after the trigger. Let's search for the cause of M70 coming on. Select the ladder circuit where M70 is on and display the waveform. The GX Log Viewer waveform display software will be started, and we can see that the faulty product arrival label coming on was the cause of the abnormality. Next, right-click on the faulty product arrival label in the ladder circuit and select Data Flow Analysis. With Data Flow Analysis, we can visually check the relationship between subject labels and devices, and we can estimate the affected location. We can see that what is affecting the faulty product arrival label is the faulty product passage flag and workpiece arrival labels. To go back further, double-click the faulty product passage flag to jump to the ladder circuit of the cause location. We can see that the comparison calculation of workpiece actual height value and faulty product detection threshold is the cause of faulty product passage flag coming on. We drag to enclose workpiece actual height value and faulty product detection threshold, select Wave Display to show the waveform. By superimposing the two waveforms shown in GX Log Viewer, it's easy to see that the workpiece actual height value exceeds the faulty product detection threshold. Let's mark the cause location using the log mark, a function of GX Log Viewer. This marking is also automatically reflected in Works3. Since the equipment status images taken by the network camera are also stored in the camera recorder unit, let's start the GX Video Viewer video playback software from Works3 and check the video data. By performing Read Log Marker from Works3 in GX Video Viewer, the mark we just made will be displayed on the timeline. By moving the cursor to that point, we can see the image of the faulty product. By using GOT Offline Monitor, the GOT screen can also be linked. We can check the GOT operation and waveform, or program relationships, making it possible to also identify problems that occur, for example, due to GOT operation mistakes. Using offline monitoring in this way makes post-occurrence problem cause analysis, which used to be difficult to perform, easy. Be sure to use it. Thank you for joining us for this instructional segment.